What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Catloco. So today we're doing the Bondo hair, long strand, fiberglass, my onion board. So right now I got the first coat Bondo hair on here. I might put a second coat just because some areas I think are thin. Now I left the front exposed because this still's gonna get cut out and molded, and then the same thing is gonna get some fiberglass, some Bondo hair, and then filler. So I wanted to leave this strip exposed because I got to fix the top and the bottom. So this is how we're looking so far. It's still wet right now. So I'm gonna put 2 layers of Bondo hair on here, and then I'm gonna hit it down 80 grit, and then we're gonna put the skim layer of Bondo or Aerocoupe filler, one of them. So it's been a couple days. I let the Bondo hair cure for a little bit, and I just started sanding this 80 grit. And before I was gonna put a second coat of Bondo hair on here, but honestly I don't feel like it needs it. So I got like half of this sanded from there all the way down to about there. You see the color difference. It's pretty smooth already, so I don't really think I need to add a second coat to this. I can just go, let's put filler on this, because right now we have 2 layers of fiberglass and then the single layer of Bondo hair. So it's like 3 layers of fiberglass on here, and that should be good enough to seal it and add some strength to it. Yeah, so I'm gonna keep sanding on the other side. Once I got it as smooth as I want it, we should be good. Just use judgment on how much filler you think you need, but I mean it's pretty close to where I think I want it.
Fast, I might go crash around. Draw down on out, yeah, ain't get it simple. Niggas like a motherfucking pampers. Yeah, pampers cause that nigga done shed it. Ooh. Niggas acting like they wet it. Ooh. I'ma put one in your fed it. Ooh. If they take your mother life, my nigga, what you gon' do? Yeah, speed fast, I might go crash around. Draw down on out, yeah, ain't get it.
We're probably at the filler stage. So I went through like about 4 80 grit sanding discs. When you start sanding this, if you feel a difference, or if it's not sanding at all, it doesn't feel right, it'll sound different too. Just go ahead and change out the pad, because I was starting to sand and it wasn't turning white, so I knew that pad wasn't doing anything. But as you can see right now, that's how smooth we got it. And I start feathering out my edges, even though once I finish the front and then these panels that I started, once I get those A1 how I want it, we'll probably extend the filler out the majority of the roof, if not the whole roof. But a little skim coat. So right now you can see smooth. Like I said, I left this exposed in the front, that strip right there. But you can see our welding line is completely gone now. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and brush this off, blow it off, then we're gonna start some filler. Okay, so now we're starting to apply the first skim coat of Bondo on here. I still got to finish up this front piece right here. But I'm gonna go ahead and put this on, let it dry for a bit, and then we're gonna block sand it. So I think we got a lot of things done today. We're at a good stopping point. So right now, I got the body filler on there. I'm gonna let this dry, and then we'll go ahead and sand it out, do all the extra body work, and then put in primer. And then we're pretty much done for the Panoramic for now. And then the last thing we need to address on this roof is this hole here, and then whatever's under here that needs to be cut out and welded. This will probably be cut out and welded. It may just be fiberglass, but more like I'm gonna cut it out and weld it. But as always, remember to like, comment, definitely subscribe, share if you want. Peace.